ziyamkhalela ke uZoleka ngale ndaba ka Mawethu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 29th to the 3rd of September or October 2025 on Monday. Zoleka and Mawethu play the blame game about what Qhawe found. Likamba calls his mother out on her desperate for Mabandla's approval. Lwandle blames his parents for their long looming family downfall on Tuesday. Qhawe struggled to contain her anger of being betrayed by the two people she loves most. Lazarus and Zoleka struggled to keep their differences strictly unprofessional. Qhawe airs her mother's dirty laundry in front of the whole family on Wednesday. Zoleka's secret drives her to breaking point. Sydney begins to fear his family's safety more than ever on Thursday. Tumega extend an olive branch, but Hlati can't forgive easily. Hlengiwe's warning to Zoleka falls on deaf ears. Mawethu opens his heart, but will anyone truly listen on Friday? Peace finally knocks at the Mabandla doors. Sydney and his family are thrown into a storm of turmoil. Not everyone will make it out unscathed. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.